Hey gamers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the future of gaming in 2050. What will gaming look like in the next 3 decades? How will technology and society shape the gaming industry and culture? Let's find out. First of all, let's talk about the hardware. In 2050, gaming consoles and PCs will be obsolete. Instead, gamers will use cloud-based platforms that stream games directly to their devices, such as smart glasses, holograms, or brain-computer interfaces. These platforms will offer unlimited storage, processing power, and bandwidth, allowing gamers to play any game they want at any time and place. Gamers will also be able to customize their gaming experience with advanced settings, such as graphics, sound, difficulty, and even genre. Secondly, let's talk about the software. In 2050, games will be more immersive, interactive, and realistic than ever before. Games will use artificial intelligence to create dynamic and adaptive worlds that respond to the player's actions and preferences. Games will also use biometric data to tailor the gameplay to the player's mood, health, and personality. Games will also be more social and collaborative, allowing gamers to connect with other players from around the world and create their own communities and content. Thirdly, let's talk about the culture. In 2050, gaming will be more diverse, inclusive, and accessible than ever before. Gaming will be a mainstream form of entertainment and education that appeals to people of all ages, backgrounds, and interests. Gaming will also be a source of empowerment and expression for marginalized groups and social movements. Gaming will also be a way of exploring new realities and possibilities that challenge the status quo and inspire change. Cloud gaming, sometimes called game streaming, is a kind of online gaming that allows players to stream games directly on their device by accessing video games from faraway servers. This arrangement makes the gamer's local hardware less relevant, and it is moving gamers away from owning physical media and toward one of renting digital content. Sony and Microsoft have both rolled out their own cloud gaming services, and even big tech is getting in on the action. Amazon debuted its cloud gaming offering in 2020, and Netflix hired its first vice president of gaming in 2021. Microsoft reported that 20 million people have used Xbox cloud gaming services, double the amount previously reported. NVIDIA's GeForce Now platform grew from 14 million subscribers in 2021 to 20 million in 2022, and is expected to be worth $3 billion by 2024. Gamers without a strong Wi-Fi connection may still experience laggy experiences, but with the growing number of people who have internet access, that's likely to change. High-fidelity graphics. Video games have come a long way in the pursuit of ultra-realistic graphics, with NVIDIA and AMD creating graphics cards that allow for high-fidelity images and techniques like ray tracing. High-fidelity graphics are when a game has 3D imagery with a multitude of complex vertices, and ray tracing technology simulates the behavior of light on objects within a game. In the past, shadows and reflections and lens flares were painted onto objects within the game, giving the illusion that light was coming from the sun or moon. The technology is expected to be a game changer, but only if consumers are able to get their hands on it. Currently, there is a chip shortage, but executives from some of the top semiconductor companies believe that will change soon. There are 2 distinct routes game developers can take when it comes to graphics. One is to hire tons of visual artists and technicians to supply high-fidelity graphics, and the other is to use big budgets, big teams, and increasingly realistic graphics. Mac said this approach is becoming increasingly common in the mobile VR space, as it reduces costs but still looks cool and avoids criticism. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. What do you think about the future of gaming in 2050? Do you agree or disagree with my predictions? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.